In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Clickup covering folders, lists, tasks, and more. Clickup is a versatile work management tool that offers a wide range of functionalities to streamline your productivity, and creating templates is one of the most powerful ways to optimize your workflow. Let's get started with the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the option to log in. Click on login and you'll be prompted to sign into your account. If you prefer using Google for a quick login, click on the sign in with Google button. This option simplifies the process by letting you use your Google credentials, saving you from having to remember another username and password. Once clicked, you'll be directed to choose your Google account. Go ahead and select the account you wish to use with ClickUp. This will lead you into your ClickUp dashboard. Upon entering your workspace, your next step is to identify the folder you wish to create a template from. Find the folder in your ClickUp space and then look for the three dots, often referred to as the options menu, next to the folder name. Click these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the templates option. It's here that ClickUp allows you to manage and utilize existing templates or save new ones. After selecting templates, you'll then click on Save as Template. This feature enables you to save the current configuration, tasks, statuses, everything contained within your folder as a reusable template. This is particularly useful for project managers or anyone looking to standardize a set of tasks or projects. Make sure to name your template appropriately to ensure it's easy to locate when you need it in the future. Now, don't stop at folders. You can also replicate this process for lists and tasks. To do this, simply click the three dots beside any list or task, navigate to the templates option, and similarly save it as a template. This method ensures that you never have to reinvent the wheel for tasks and lists that frequently appear in your workflow. Creating templates in ClickUp can immensely enhance your efficiency by minimizing repetitive setup processes. It gives you the freedom to focus on what truly matters, completing your tasks and achieving your goals. So give it a try and watch your productivity soar as you utilize this powerful feature to streamline your projects and daily to-dos. Thank you for watching, and good luck optimizing your workflow with ClickUp templates.